All right, we're back at Pratt Electric Company here and doing a repair today. Had a video before this, but wanted to show we had a lot of moisture in here. You can actually still see how wet it is. This insulation board got wet. So we've torn this all the way back and we're gonna tie this back into a scupper here. And if you can see down there, we've done something a little smaller over there, a little smaller leak done as well. One of the things we found, I wanna show when we're done with this video, we're actually gonna tie into this wall system. I can show with my hands. You can see where this wall is starting to peel off. You can see cracks everywhere. A lot of moisture has been getting in here. It's been running behind the wall as well. So it's been causing a decent amount of damage. We're gonna take care of this today. Flash in this wall, this cap section here, show you what that looks like when we're done. So this is just the pre-video. Everything's prepped. We got to get it clean, get it dried up a little bit, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done.